Food delivery complaint.
Good evening. I am calling about a problem with my food delivery.
Good evening. I am sorry to hear that. I will be happy to help.
My food arrived late and one item is missing.
I am sorry about that. Let me check your order details.
Sure. My order number is 4582.
Thank you. I have found your order in our system.
Can you please check what happened?
Your order was delayed because the driver arrived late.
I understand, but I waited a very long time.
I am sorry. I understand why you are unhappy.
The food was also cold when it arrived.
I am sorry to hear that. The food should arrive warm and fresh.
I also ordered 2 drinks, but I received only one.
Let me check. Yes, one drink is missing from your order.
I was expecting everything I ordered.
I understand. I am sorry that your order was not complete.
Is there anything you can do about it?
Yes, we can send the missing drink or give you a refund.
I do not want to wait for another delivery.
I understand. In that case, a refund may be better.
What does refund mean?
It means you get your money back.
I understand. I would like a refund, please.
No problem. I can process it for you now.
Thank you. What about the late delivery?
I can also give you a discount on your next order.
That sounds fair. I appreciate your help.
You are welcome. We will try to do better next time.
Will I need to contact you again about the refund?
No, I will process it today, and you can check your account later.
That is good. I am glad you can help me with this.
Of course, we want to make sure you are satisfied.
I hope my next order arrives on time.
I hope so too. We will do our best.
When will I receive my refund?
It should appear in your account within a few business days.
Okay. Thank you for helping me.
It was my pleasure. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Buying reusable products.
Good afternoon. I am looking for some reusable products for everyday use.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our store. I would be happy to help you.
Thank you. I want to use fewer disposable items at home.
That is a great idea. We have many reusable products here.
I need a good bag for shopping.
These reusable bags are strong and easy to carry.
They look nice. Can I wash them?
Yes, you can wash them and use them many times.
That sounds useful. I would like to buy 2 bags.
Good choice. We also have reusable water bottles.
I need a bottle for work and travel.
This stainless steel bottle is a popular choice.
What does stainless steel mean?
It is a strong metal that does not rust easily.
I understand now. It sounds like a good material.
Yes, it can keep your drink cold or warm for a long time.
That is exactly what I need.
We also have reusable food containers for lunches.
I often take food to work, so I need some containers.
These containers come in different sizes and have tight lids.
What does tight lid mean?
It means the lid closes well and helps keep food inside.
I understand. I would like a set of those.
Great. We have small, medium, and large containers.
I think the medium ones will be best for me.
That sounds good. They are also easy to clean.
Do you have reusable cups for coffee?
Yes, we have several sizes and different designs.
I would like a simple one for my morning coffee.
This one is a good choice. It has a strong lid and is easy to carry.
I like it. Can I use it every day?
Yes, you can wash it and use it again and again.
That is great. I want products that last a long time.
Reusable products can help reduce waste and save money over time.
That is another good reason to use them.
Would you like anything else for your home?
No, I think I have everything I need today.
Great! You have chosen some useful products.
Thank you for helping me choose everything.
You are very welcome. I hope you enjoy using your new products.
I am sure I will. Have a great day.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day too. Visiting a local festival.
Good afternoon, Lily. This festival is very busy today.
Yes, there are many people here.
I can hear music. It sounds very fun.
I agree. There is music, food, and entertainment.
Where should we go first?
Let us look at the food stalls first.
That sounds good. I see many interesting things.
Yes, there are many different stalls here.
The food smells wonderful.
I would like to try some local food.
Me too. What would you like to try?
I want to try the grilled meat.
That sounds delicious. I will try it too.
The food is very tasty.
I agree. I really like it.
We should try some dessert later.
Yes, that would be great.
Look over there. There is a large stage.
I think a live performance is starting soon.
What does performance mean?
It means a show where people sing, dance, or act.
I understand now. I want to watch it.
Me too. Let us find a good place.
The music is starting now.
Everyone looks excited and happy.
The dancers are wearing traditional clothes.
What does traditional mean?
It means something connected to the local culture or customs.
I understand now. The clothes are beautiful.
Yes, the music is traditional too.
I also see some handmade products.
Yes, people can buy many local gifts.
I want to buy something for my family.
Look at those colorful decorations.
They are beautiful. I like them.
I think your family will like them too.
This festival is really enjoyable.
Yes, I love the food and music.
I am happy we came here today.
Me too. We had a wonderful time.
I hope we can come again next year.
I hope so too. Solving a small office problem.
Lily, I think we have a small problem with the office printer.
What happened? Is the printer not working?
Yes, I tried to print these documents, but nothing came out.
Let me check the printer. Is it turned on?
Yes, it is turned on, but the screen shows an error.
I see. Maybe the printer has no paper.
Let me look. Yes, the paper tray is empty.
That could be the problem. We need to add some paper.
I will get some paper from the cabinet.
Good. Please put it in the paper tray carefully.
Okay, the paper is in the tray now.
Great. Try printing the document again.
I clicked print, but it still does not work.
Maybe there is another problem with the printer.
The screen says there is a paper jam.
What does paper jam mean?
It means the paper is stuck inside the printer.
I understand now. We need to remove the stuck paper.
Should I open this part of the printer?
Yes, but be careful. Let us check the instructions first.
I found the instructions. It says to open the back cover.
Okay, I will hold the cover while you check inside.
I can see a small piece of paper stuck here.
Please pull it out slowly so it doesn't tear.
I removed it. I think that was the problem.
Good. Now close the cover and try printing again.
The document is printing now. It is working.
That's great. I'm glad we found the problem.
Me too. I thought we might need a new printer.
Luckily, it was only a small problem.
Yes, we just needed to check the paper and remove the jam.
What does remove mean?
It means to take something away or take it out.
I understand now. We removed the paper from the printer.
Yes, working together made the problem easier.
I agree. Now we can continue our work.
Thank you for helping me, Lily.
You're welcome. I'm happy we solved the problem.